everybody. This video is explaining the Works Cited page. So you will need your note cards just to look back and make sure that the 4 websites you used are the same as the ones that I'm using. If not, then you'll just have to type in a different website address, okay? It's not going to be a huge difference, so don't freak out. If you go into Classroom, under the research paper, click on the Works Cited. And I've added 2 links here. The first one is your copy. So you're going to want to put your name on here, and then the name of the person you're researching and the name of his or her disability so that I can double check your work. Okay, so the first website that we all did together was biography.com. So the thing is, you can't just find the Works Cited for biography.com. It's got to be the website of your specific person. So if we go to biography.com, you go to the search, and I'm going to look up Tom Cruise, okay? You have to search him, and then you have to go down to his page like we did to get the notes, because you are citing where you got your notes for the paper from. All right, so this is the page with the information, right? See up here? This is the website address. You're going to highlight that and copy it. All right, Control C. Then, if we go back here to our Works Cited page, I want you to paste, Control V, the URL or the site address right there, okay? Just for me, so I can double check your work. This website is not the Works Cited, all right? Let me show you what is. You will need to go back to what I posted and click on EasyBib. Okay, and I specifically put in the site for MLA 8 citations. We are only using websites for this. No one was approved to use a book or a journal, so only click website, guys. Now, when you get there, what you're going to do is paste the website from biography.com with your famous person's name on there and search it. After you search it, it says 1 result found. It's kind of cut off there, but you have to double check, make sure this is the same website, and it is, and then click Cite. Here you go. This is all the information that you will need to cite that website. So if it all looks good, click Continue. They ask for some more information. If you have this, it's fine, but really you guys don't need to do any other digging. You don't need to find the contributors. I don't care about that. All right, and then go to the bottom and click Complete Citation. And here it is. Okay, this is what your citation will look like. If you hover over it, click Copy Citation. And you're going to go back to your Works Cited, and you're going to paste it there, okay? And I'm actually going to add something that I didn't think about earlier. So this is the actual citation, but I also want you to copy the in-text citation, because this will be what you use when you actually write your paper. So if you hover over, it says copy in-text citation. Do that. Oh shoot, we have to upgrade. You know what? Nope. So we'll just do copy citation. Dang it, ignore me. Okay. So that's all you need. All right. There we go. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You're going to use the Cite Easy bib. You need to copy down the website that you are citing, and then you also need to copy down the exact citation. So you're going to do this for each of the 4 websites that you used. So for the second one, I put Britannica.com or IMDb. I know some of you could not find your person on Britannica, so you had to use the Internet Movie Database. Whichever one, that'll be your blue one, okay? Whichever one you used in your notes. And then down here, cdc.gov, and then disabledworld.com. You're just going to cite all of these, all right? If you have any questions, please email me, and we can meet and figure everything out, okay? But this is due April 1st, so you have 3 days to work on this, which should be more than enough time. All right, thank you.